Okay guys, this is Alex Train Spotter HD and welcome back to another new video. I'm at Exeter St David's for my usual Sunday afternoon session. Here about to go out now is a Great Western Railway service to Exmouth. It's formed of the 158765 and the 150233 at the back. So it's a 158 and 150 combo. Don't often see that. See this go out now. Yeah, 233 starting to get a bit filthy, which is a bit of a shame. Okay, what else is coming in? We got a Great Western Railway service to London Paddington coming in. It's got a 10 coach IET. That IET on platform 4 was actually, believe it or not, guys, going to Newquay. But unfortunately now it's only going as far as Plymouth. The reason why, the shortage of train crew apparently. So that's only going as far as Plymouth now. Also, as you know guys, it's the start of the new summer timetable today. And also started the hourly services to Okehampton. So very excited times ahead. So that double IET is 802011 and 802012. We got this IET going out. So you will see the usual services from Great Western Railway, Crosscountry and South Western Railway in this video. Now I haven't made a proper video for a while, basically because obviously last weekend the weather was nice, so I just thought, well, I might as well just go out and enjoy the weather. And then yesterday I wasn't able to come out and make a video because of the FA Cup final being on, Liverpool-Chelsea. As you know guys, I'm a Liverpool fan and we won the FA Cup, so as you can tell I am very happy inside. What else we got coming in? We got 158957 coming in. Looks like that's on the Barnstable line today. That's that one. Over on platform 6 is another IET that will be going to London Paddington within, I'll say, I don't know I'm not sure what time that goes to London Paddington actually. I think within the next half an hour I would have thought. And that one is 802008. I don't know if that's a 10 code, I think it could be. And in the new yard we got a South Western Railway train which is actually coming out of the new yard now to come in to form the 1325 service to London Waterloo. I think we got an IET in there in the new yard as well. I'm assuming that will form the 1415 service to London Paddington, which will be started from platform 3. So yeah, so that's the state of play so far guys. So we'll come back in a few minutes with some more trains. Okay guys, we're back in the video and about to go out now is the Great Western Railway service to Penzance. .43094 at the front, sounding very nice indeed. Loud and proud. And at the back, the Old Oak Common 43093. Good to see the Old Oak Common again. Looking a bit tatty though, could do a bit of a spruce up. Here's the Cross-Country HST service to Edinburgh. 43293 is actually back. I don't know the number at the front though. I'm thinking maybe 285, but I'm gonna have to clarify with you guys on that. So yeah, like I said, start of the summer timetable, you can expect to see a lot of trains going in and out. I think obviously now because of the hourly service on the Okehampton line, that'll be an extra train or two to get on camera, and also the other usual services that we normally see anyway. And yeah, so this should be good now. Now it's the summertime. Should expect to see a bit more in the way of trains. Speaking of another train coming in, I'm assuming this is a Great Western Railway service to Paignton. It's the 166-207. Seen 207 down here for a while. We got the South Western Railway service to London Waterloo now going out. 159021 at the front, looking well, looking clean. Wow. Pretty touch this way. We've got a 150 coming out of the depot. So 150-249. I think that's a movement from the Exeter TMD going to Plymouth, that 150. And that's the back will be 159020 at the back, looking well, it's not looking as clean as the front one, is it? But nice and tidy again, 020 and 021. I'm assuming that 150 is going to Plymouth. I know that on the real-time trains that there's a movement from the Exeter TMD to Plymouth. I don't know if that is the train to Plymouth. If it was a train to Plymouth, it wouldn't have stopped there, so I'm assuming it's not going to Plymouth. So yeah, I think that's a state of play. We'll come back in a few seconds, or will we? Attempt to keep the camera rolling for this cross-country HST service to Edinburgh. This is on time. That's on time. We'll keep the camera rolling. I think it is about to leave, so we'll keep the camera rolling. So this should be made for a very good video, guys. We should see nice variety. Like I said, extra train or two now. Now it's the summer timetable. Okay, well, we do have that Crosscountry HST now going out. Sounded like an absolute beauty as well. You can't beat HSTs for sure. Much better than IETs in my view. Although I have gotten used to the IETs, I don't have a grudge against them anymore. It's just when they did take over the HSTs, I thought, oh god. But, you know, IETs for me now, I don't mind them. Obviously, people have different views and mixed views on IETs to HSTs. Obviously, I'm a HST fan, but, yeah. Now, we got that 150 up the line there still, but I'm not sure what it's actually doing. I think it's going to come back into the station. I don't know if it's actually coming back into the TMD or maybe in the station. Whatever it's doing, we'll wait for that to come in. I think that service to Paignton should be leaving shortly, within the next few seconds. I'm not sure, like I said, what that 150 is doing. It just went up the line there, as you can see. Like I said, I thought that was the movement from the STMD to Plymouth, but oh no, it's not. It's coming back in now. What's it doing? Is it going to go back into the TMD or come into the platform? Let's have a gander. So it's coming into the platform. Okay, I don't know what this one will be then. Maybe it will be the service to... Oh, did it? Oh, I'm confused on this one. Really confused. Either way, 249 can do it with a bloody wash. I know that. And we got the service to Paignton now going out. Now I believe that my follower, the 959, is not in service today. I think it's somewhere else, thankfully, so I won't see her today. So yeah, and obviously my previous ex-follower that I used to see quite a lot, this 166209, I'm not sure where she is. I don't hardly ever see her now, so that's good, even better. So yeah, okay, that'll do now. We'll come back in a few seconds with some more trains. Okay guys, we're back in the video, and just to clarify, this 150 is going to Plymouth. It is the movement from Exeter TMD to Plymouth. It's actually come in quite a couple of minutes early, so I was right all along. I was right the first time, so yeah, the signal's red at the moment, so it can't obviously leave at the moment, but we will see her go out, I'm assuming, very shortly, so we'll come back soon. Okay, back to the part will be that empty coaching stop movement from the Exeter TMD going to Plymouth. Assuming it had to come into the station for the driver. Gliding her way out of the station.
Platform 3B for the 1337 Great Western Railway service to Okehampton.
And as you can tell by the announcement, we got the Great Western Railway service to Okehampton now coming in.
Please be aware that this station
So 150 248.
Once the train arrives, please mind the step from the platform onto the train.
A traditional 150 on the Okehampton line, of course, but now the Okehampton line has got an hourly service. I believe I've been told that there was a 158 on the Okehampton line, so that was definitely different to see, and very good, obviously. But yeah, well, but there you go. Yeah, so we'll come back in a bloody announcement. Shut up. So we'll come back in a few seconds with some more trains. Okay guys, we are back in the video here at St David's, and as you can tell, going out now is that Great Western Railway service to London Paddington. Not sure the number at the front, unfortunately. Just trying to have a look, actually. No, it looks like it's only 5 coaches. It looks like it's only 5 coaches. Okay, so that's different. You also have the 158956 that's just come in from Barnstable going to Exeter Central. That'll be leaving very shortly. So we'll see her go out very shortly. And we also have a terminating South Western Railway service from London Waterloo. Excuse me. It's 159001 at the front. We've got 59013 at the back, looking yeah, looking rather filthy. I think we got that service to Exeter Central was about to go out. I'm not sure why it only goes to, well, as you know, the Barnstable services usually go to St James's Park, which I find a bit weird itself, but I would just do Exeter Central to St David's. I don't know about you guys, but I suppose doing the Central is kind of ideal, because obviously you can get off at Central for the town centre, of course, so. mention weather-wise is pretty decent today. It's sort of been sunny, going in and out, the sun has.
For your own safety, you are reminded to stand behind the yellow line.
I'm standing behind the yellow line, thank you. Anyway guys, what I was trying to say is, yeah, the weather's been pretty good today actually. It's not been too bad, as you can tell. It's sort of hazy sunshine, been going in and out. Top temperature around 19 degrees with a little bit of a breeze, so yeah, pretty decent. So yeah, that one's gone, so yeah, we'll come back in a few seconds with some more trains. Okay, we are back guys, and coming in now is a Great Western Railway service to Exmouth from Paignton. And this is another turbo. A few turbos around today, and I got some very unexpected news as well. So I know there's another turbo on the Exmouth line, which I'm assuming might form a service to Paignton later as well. But I'll tell you the number of that train in a minute. But the number on this train is 166205. Quite a busy old service that. So yeah, the other turbo that is on the Exmouth line at the moment, like I said, I'm assuming it will form a service to Paignton later, I would have thought, is a 3-car 165 turbo, which I think that's the very first time that 165 3-car turbo has come down here. It's a 165 109, so 109. So that would be good to see. That will actually be coming in within the next 10 minutes, so we'll see that come in, and it will terminate here, and it will form a service back to Exmouth, and it will come in much later on, form a service, I'm assuming, to Paignton. So yeah, there's a few turbos on the Exmouth to Paignton line today. So yeah, so we'll come back in a few seconds. Yeah, you guessed it, didn't you guys? You know you love me saying this. Some more trains. Okay guys, back to go out now. We'll be that Great Western Railway service to Exmouth, 166205, on time. Should have another cab shortly. In fact, it's actually coming in now. So we'll turn the camera this way. This is 43171 at the front. Raglan Castle nameplate at the front. Raglan, I think that's how you say it. With 43005 at the back, St Michael's Mount. Excellent. Okay guys, quickly back, I forgot to mention that is going to Cardiff Central from Plymouth. I turn your attention to this way as we got that IET coming in for the new yard, which will form a Great Western Railway service to London Paddington. This is the traditional service that starts on platform 3 going to London Paddington every Sunday. I mean, normally you do see IETs on either 5, 4 or 6. You don't really see IETs hardly on 3 or 1. But yeah, it's different of course. Slowly making our way in. Is feel bad for the driver. He has to walk all the way at the other end of the platform now. I'm on this. A02103. There she is. Okay guys, here she is, the 165109, terminating in from Exeter. Hardly anyone on that train though, bloody hell. There she is anyway. Like I said, she'll form a service back to Exeter at 14:15, so yeah, there she is. I probably won't record her going out, but yeah, it's quite unusual to see a 1653 car down here now, which is good though. It's the first time ever, I think. So yeah, good to see. Okay guys, back to the part now. Will be the Great Eastern Railway service to London Paddington. Okay guys, well the other train on the Okehampton line is the 15234, but I think we did miss that because I had to go off and charge my phone up. But yeah, that's the other train that was on the Okehampton line today. As you see, the 165109 is actually in the new yard. It should come in any time now actually to form that 14:15 service to Exmouth. Just seeing if it is going to come in or not. I hear something else going off, so it could be that turbo could be coming back in now. So you can see the barriers are still down, and we should have another IET coming in shortly from London Paddington to Penzance. That one is running a bit late, and then we'll see a terminating service from Cardiff Central as well. Okay, so that turbo is coming in now. And that IET is also coming in as well. Looks like this is a 9-coach one. Which is 800 at 301. Okay guys, well we're back in the video, and you can see that later in Great Eastern Railway service to Penzance is now leaving. Also about to come up the line is a Great Eastern Railway service to Barnstable. It's the return of the 956. It's coming up the line now, so keep the camera rolling. And then after, nice tone by the driver. As that guns past, then it'll be one more train to get on camera, a terminated service from Cardiff Central. And that will also be a 3-car 158. that 3 car 158 from Cardiff Central that terminates here is 951, thankfully, not the 959, thank God. So I'm not sure where the 959 is today. I'm assuming it may be in the Bristol area. Notice to pay it. I suppose that 959 will probably come down here at some point this week. But thankfully, I'm not recording during this week because obviously I'm at work. So yes, I won't see her. Thank God. Okay, coming out the new yard now will be that return of that 6 car South Western Railway train, which will form the 1425 service to London Waterloo. And also coming in now will be that very last train of the video, like I mentioned, is a terminating Great Western Railway service from Cardiff Central, which will be the 158951. So as both of those trains come in, I am going to leave it here at Exeter St David's on this Sunday afternoon. This is my first ever video at St David's of the start of the summer timetable. The timetable changed today, so I hope you enjoyed all the trains you've seen today. I got to say, a very nice mixture. I think the standout train for me would be the 3 car 165 that we saw. First time seeing that down here, so that's good. And obviously the other trains we saw, a few 3 car 158s, some IETs. We did see a cross-country HSC, we saw some castle sets, and we did see 1 or 2 150s, not many actually, but yeah, and we saw some turbos. So yeah, very nice mixture of trains today, guys. So yeah, so my next video won't be until next weekend. We'll be here next Sunday again for another Sunday afternoon session. Next Saturday, all being well, I should be out and about locally as well, making a video elsewhere. So until next time, from me here at quite a mild and breezy Exeter St David's, I shall see you all soon, guys. Take care.